Lights, camera, and action. Action! Honey, I'm home. Hi, I'm Sangeeta and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be trying out 7 easy microwavable desserts by Emma Fontanella. Let's get started. Let's kickstart with this easy 5-minute birthday cake recipe. In a bowl, add 85 grams of softened butter. Make sure it's at room temperature. I'm using salted butter here. Drop in 90 grams of powdered sugar. Whisk it until it turns creamy. If you're new to this channel, hi and welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll have Emma's channel linked in my description box. Don't forget to check out her page. She posts new recipes every week. Once creamy, add 65 grams of yogurt. Adding yogurt makes your cake soft and it is also a substitute for egg. We won't be adding eggs because egg tends to give you a rubber-like texture when microwaved. Now pour in 3/4 cup of milk. Whisk it in. Now add 160 grams of flour. Combine this until lump-free. Add a dash of vanilla essence followed by 2 teaspoons of baking powder. If you're using unsalted butter, then add a pinch of salt. Our batter is now ready. I've prepped a glass microwave-safe bowl with butter paper. Pour in the batter and level it. Microwave this for 5 minutes. Our cake is out and ready. The sides come off on its own so I don't have to run a knife. Allow this to cool down a little and then flip it. If you're looking for more eggless cake recipes, I'll leave a card above. You can also follow me on Instagram to find more easy eggless cake recipes that I haven't posted here on my channel. The sides of the cake is still a little wet to touch, but it's thoroughly cooked. You can top this off with whipping cream, ganache or buttercream. I'm going to cover it with some sticky caramel sauce. Allow the cake to cool and then frost it. Our birthday cake is now ready. Next up, 3 1-minute microwave mug cake recipe. Add 1 tablespoon butter in each cup and microwave it until it melts. It will take you about 10 to 15 seconds. Now add 2 tablespoons sugar into the chocolate mug, 1 tablespoon sugar each into vanilla and chocolate chip mug. Mix this well. I've used powdered sugar in this recipe. It's just easier to bring this together. Now add 2 tablespoons milk into each mug. The batter was on the thicker side for the chocolate mug cake, so I did add a tablespoon extra of milk towards the end. I can't tell you how easy and delicious these turned out. A quick fix for all those cravings. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder into the chocolate mug and mix it well until lump-free. Add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in the chocolate mug and 3 tablespoons each into the vanilla and chocolate chip mug. Drop in 1/4 teaspoon baking powder into all 3. Mix all 3 until it turns into a smooth batter. As mentioned, I did add a tablespoon extra milk into the chocolate batter. You can see what works for you better. Drop in the chocolate chips into the mug and then we are done. Microwave this for a minute. You can microwave all 3 at once and we are done. Let's make 1-minute microwave mug pancake. Add 10 grams of powdered sugar into 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Stir this well. Pour 2 tablespoons milk, which is at room temperature, and mix. Add 3 tablespoons flour, followed by 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Mix until lump-free. Microwave this for a minute. Add butter or maple syrup or maybe even chocolate and we're done. Now let's make 1-minute microwave chocolate chip cookie. Add 20 grams softened butter into a bowl. I'm using salted butter here. Toss in 25 grams of powdered brown sugar. Mix until creamy. You can use white sugar if you wish to, it's completely fine. I've made these before with granulated sugar. I've got just one word for you: don't. Use powdered sugar only. Now pour in 10 grams of milk and mix it in. Drop in 55 grams of maida, bring this together. Also, don't forget to add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda like I did. Drop in as much as choco chips and make it a ball. Use a butter paper and place the dough on it. Press and flatten it. Microwave for a minute and you're done. The cookies are soft at 1 minute and a little more biscuit type texture at 2 minutes. I kept mine for 2 minutes. You can always top these with chocolate chunks before microwaving. I'll be reviewing all of these towards the end, so please hang in there. Now let's make some uber delicious brownies for one. Melt 20 grams of butter and 30 grams of dark chocolate. 15 to 20 seconds blast in the microwave would do. Mix it well and then add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. Mix and then add 20 grams of milk. Mix it well. If you're looking for an easy crackle top brownie that can be made in a mixer grinder, I'll leave a card above. Those are my hassle-free, foolproof brownies. Now drop in 45 grams of maida and fold it in. Our batter is now ready. Prep a microwave-safe bowl and line it with butter paper. Pour in the batter and spread it. Top it off with some chocolate chunks and microwave it for a minute. Our brownie is ready. I'll let this cool and then slice the sides to make it look presentable. And we're done. Review time. Let's slice up the cake and take a closer look. The cake cuts easily. It's got a beautiful crumb, so soft and delicious. It's fantastic, in fact. If you forget someone's birthday, this cake will definitely save you. 5 minutes is all that takes to make this. Let's try the cookie now. I'm so sorry about the overexposure, by the way. Back to the cookie. It's a little crunchy on the outside because I kept it for 2 minutes, but still very chewy and soft in the inside. I can still taste a little flour, maybe a dash of vanilla essence in the recipe could have elevated the flavor, but it's still very yummy. Off to try the mug pancake next. It cuts through easily and is so soft. The texture is exactly cake-like. This recipe didn't excite my taste buds as much, but do give it a try, you might love it. If you do try it and like how it turns, do let me know in the comment box. I thought I'll go with the chocolate mug cake, but then decided to try the brownies first. I get confused when I have these many delicious options in front of me. The brownie is fudgy and really good for such a quick recipe. This recipe is definitely a keeper. All I'm missing is a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Drum roll please! I've been waiting so long to try the chocolate mug cake. The cake is unbelievably soft and chocolatey. This has got to be my favorite and go-to recipe when I'm craving for something sweet. You have to try it to believe it. It is that good. Off to try the chocolate chip cake. The texture is just as good. So soft and so good. Emma, thank you so much. Loved the recipe. I find it so hard to stop eating and even forgot that I'm supposed to be giving feedback on the same. But you know it's good if someone digs in for a second bite. And we're on to our last vanilla mug cake. The flavor is so simple and the texture is perfect. The cake is so spongy and soft. Absolutely love this one too. I would totally push you to try the birthday cake and all the 3 mug cakes. I'm telling you, you're missing out on the chocolate mug cake if you decide not to give it a try. Here's my advice, use a big spoon and do not share. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time.